Hello and welcome to my show. Today I will show you guys how to get free VPN access through a free download. This just goes through vpngate. It's a free software package that you could install on your computer to set up VPN access using a relay service through a network of computers all over the world. So let's get started. First, open your browser. On my system, you're just using Microsoft Edge, but you could use Chrome or any other browser you want, like Firefox. I did not have those installed, so I'm just using the built-in browser, which is Microsoft Edge. So we type in the address bar, we type in www.vpngate.net, and I will leave that URL on the description below. So hit enter. It will bring you up to vpngate. It's a VPN. It's a public VPN relay servers. So all you have to do is go to the download section, click on download, and download these Soft Ether VPN client plus VPNgate plugin. Just download the zip file. It's only about 52 megabytes, so just save it. Takes a few seconds, half a minute, depending on your speed. If you're on a slow connection, it could be a couple minutes, but my download speed is pretty fast at about 88 megs per second, so should have gone faster, but so we're almost done. Once it's done, all you have to do is open it. It opens a zip file, so this is a built-in uncompressed folder that you're looking into. So we're going to minimize the browser. Let's minimize this as well. So all we have to do is create a new folder on your desktop. You can just leave it called new folder, and then Control A to select all the files, and then just left click on your mouse and drag it over, and that will extract all the files from the zip file onto this new folder. So we can close that, and you can see here that there's one application called vpngate client version 4.22 build 9634 beta, and it's last build on November the 27th 2016. So just double click on that. That will ask you to install the application. This is the application that you have to install on your desktop computer or laptop. So all you have to do is hit next. It'll ask you if you trust this vendor. Say yes, and then just click all the default options. So next, it'll ask for a license. You can read it if you want. If you don't, all you have to is click on this and pretend that you read it. So just hit next and next again. It'll say you want to install in program files Soft Ether VPN client. So that's fine. I don't need to change it. So click next, and then click next again. And it takes a few seconds to install the application as we wait, and it should be done any minute here. As you can see there, you could start or after you finish, or you could not start, but since we're going to start it right away, we'll just leave that option on. So click finish, and it will ask you, let's move that away. So it will ask you this is called a manager. I like to minimize it to a small little area. So what you want to do is just click on vpngate public VPN relay server. Click on that. It will bring out a list of servers that's on the relay list. So you could always refresh the list to get the latest server list. the way I would do it, you want to find the best line possible. So what I do is click on the ping column and sort it by the lowest ping number. You see hyphen, comma, hyphen. Those are usually like unknown states. I normally choose like something like Japan, like with a ping number of 3 dash or hyphen or comma 3, and with a speed of 181 megs per second, which is fantastic speed. So just double click on that, agree to the rules of that VPN, and we're going to use TCP. Say OK, and we'll connect. Your local IP address is called 1021.1.30. But what other people are seeing you online is actually the actual VPN server. So you could tell, ask, or Google your IP address. What is my IP address? 60.114.88.78 is your IP address that you're connected to the VPN server. So that tells me I'm connected to somewhere else now. So people online will see this address, not the 10.211.30. That's your local IP address. So if we, let's say, decide to disconnect and change a different server, all you have to do is connect, right click on this VPN gate connection, just right click, give you a new menu, item, a context menu, and all you have to do is click disconnect, and you are completely disconnected from that VPN server. So if you want to connect somewhere else, let's say I want to connect to, let's do the whole ping number again. So we want the last. Let's connect to what's a good one? Here we go. How about Korea? Decent ping, 36 with 29.6 megabit per second speed. So we agreed. Connecting it, verifying, and it's a 1.6. Here's your local. So if we open a new tab on the browser and say, what is my IP address? And it should give you a different address. Your new IP address is 121.182.72.167. Since I didn't close the last tab and it still had the information there, we could see that it's completely different address. So there you have it. You are on a VPN server that's free, should be very safe. So I did not have any problem with it because this is it's actually sponsored by the University of, I don't even know how to spell it, Tsukuba, Japan. So it's actually an open source application, so it should be very safe, and it's a academic environment. So, and you can also sign up as a volunteer using your computer as a server, a relay. So that's an option you could set up as well. So it's pretty cool. It's free and it's easy to set up. Literally, you'll be online using a VPN in minutes. So I will conclude my discussion of this here. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe so I could bring you more great content. Hopefully that it will be useful to you. So so feel free, leave me a comment. Look forward to seeing you all on the next video. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching, by the way.